This tiny simple system here can generate unique, viral social media posts in seconds. Not only that, you can use this system to generate 2 income streams online. If you are ready, let's get started. Without wasting time, the idea is really super simple. If you go now to YouTube and go to YouTube Shorts, you will see thousands of viral videos. Like this one, 10 million, 20 million, and so on. So let's take any of these videos. Let's say this one here. Okay, what we are going to do is we get a short video on YouTube that is viral. It is proven that people loved and the idea worked. And what we do simply is we feed to the AI, to our AI system, but using successful templates that I will show you in a little bit, proven templates, and the AI system will use these viral videos to create your own unique social media posts based on. Alright, let's now go and build this AI powered system and show you how you can make money out of it. I'm sure what you will see in a few minutes, no one had shared before on YouTube or even online. You will see that. So first we need a tool to build this system. And one of the best is Make, a no-code automation tool that helps you build any system you want. The best thing I love about Make is that it's fully customizable. And this is the core idea behind generating the income stream, as you will see in a little bit. Not only that, I have partnered with Make, so now you can use the link in the description below to get 1 month free access to the Pro version. So you can test everything and try this totally for free. So sign up using the link and then log in. This is my dashboard and simply click on create a new scenario. Perfect. Now to make things simple for you and to save time, I prepared the system for you. Just click here on these 3 dots, click import blueprint. Let's choose a file. This is the blueprint. I will keep the link in the description below. Just download the JSON file and import it here, save, and boom, here we are. We see somehow a different system. Don't worry, we will turn this system into this one in few seconds. Just follow up with me. It's very important first to understand the main system before converting it and generating income. So, how this system works. Let's explain this in like 1 minute. Simply, we have this HTTP application or module that is used to extract the YouTube video script. So again, on YouTube, we have, for example, this video or any of these videos. We grab the link of this video. So let's open this one. I will get this video link, the URL. Let's go back here to the scenario. And you can see we have the URL. Now to extract a YouTube script, we will need to use an API to do that. So here I'm using an API from searchapi.io. You can sign up and get 100 free requests so you can test everything for free. I will go to my profile and you can go here to YouTube and then YouTube transcripts and you will see this API to extract the YouTube script of any video. So here simply what I'm doing is using this API and passing the video ID. You can see here. So let's get the video ID instead of the URL and pass it here and make sure to add your API key. This is my API key I got from here, from my profile, from my dashboard. You can see copy. This is my API key. So again, I paste it here and that's it. Now let's unlink here just to show you how this module will work now. If I run, I will get in the output data, I will get this transcript. You can see this is the transcript of the video with the text, start, duration, and everything. Now what we need from the transcript is the text only. So let's connect this again. Now what's nice about Make, we have this JSON application or module. Simply we are extracting data from this module. So now what I'm doing is reading the output, then I'm using this iterator to loop through the transcripts. Let's go again to show you this to understand what's happening. You can see the transcript is an array of multiple objects. We have text, so I'm looping through the transcript and I'm using this text aggregator to combine all the text from the transcript into one text. Let me show you this. What will happen here? I will unlink to show you the output here. Run again. Run anyway. I will get now the transcript. It will be passed to JSON, then iterator, and then the output of the text aggregator will be simply the transcript of the video, just as a text, you can see. So now we have the text of the video. We can feed it to the AI. Here I'm using OpenAI to convert or use the YouTube video transcript to convert into a viral social media post. Now please focus on this. I will open and you will see here we have this long prompt, and this is one of the most important factors for this system to be successful. So this is the full power prompt I'm using for this AI system. Maybe you watched my prompt engineering courses before and videos here on my channel. Usually we start by assigning a role for the AI. So I'm telling the AI here to craft viral tweets and then giving it the input. Here I have the YouTube video script as the main input that we want to generate a tweet based on. Then we have the successful templates. This is very important. Whenever you want to generate something with AI, don't just tell the AI, generate a tweet. It's very important to add your own touch, style, or templates. So here I'm providing successful templates with examples so the AI can pick the right template that fits the YouTube script and generate based on it. This is very important. And here I added some guidelines and rules. I will give you the full prompt. Don't worry about it for now, but please focus on these 2 points. Always add the rules you want, the input, and the templates. What and how you want the AI to generate the tweets for you. So combining a viral script with successful template will almost guarantee a successful tweet or post on social media. So this is the prompt, and you can see here I pasted it. Now we can test the system. Let's run it. We get the script, we pass it to the AI, now it's generating the tweet. Let's open the result, choices, and then we have the message, content, and here is our output. Now it's time to see how we can convert this system into this one and generate 2 income streams out of it. But before that, think about it. If you now exported the system and you want to sell it online to your clients, or maybe on your website, what happens is users can now clone the system or even resell it again. It's all open, nothing is locked, and anyone can spread this online. So selling the system as it is in this way is not the best approach. What we are going to do simply is we are going to lock our system by converting part of it into our own custom app. And this is where the power of Make comes here. So you can see here in my other simple system, I created this simple custom Make app. This is something I built with Make. So it replaces all this part. And if you open this, you will see we have an API key to access this part of my system. So now when you sell to your clients, they will need an API key to access your app. So they can't resell it, and we can generate recurring income with a subscription. So users who are using your system will subscribe and get an API key to access your systems. And this is super important. So let me show you how I did this. And now is the big secret that no one have shared before on the internet. So if you go here to Make and click on More, you will see something called custom apps. It allows you to build any custom application you want powered by any API. So let me show you this. I will open, I called it YouTube transcript, and you will see here we have some configuration. So how custom apps work simply is by connecting it with your own custom API. Look what I did in my case. If you go here to my WordPress website to learn with Hasan, I think you know it if you are following, when you subscribe or when you join us, you can get some points or credits. You see here in my account we have 49,000 credits. So each user on my website has number of credits. And in this code snippet, let me show you this. I created this simple prototype to help you understand the idea easily. What I did is I created this simple snippet, this code here. I generated it with ChatGPT, by the way. So the idea here is this is a custom API endpoint inside my WordPress website that will be used to connect it with the Make application. You can see the base URL is Learn with Hasan WP-JSON custom API version 1. Let me show you this. If I open now Postman to test the API client, I know now there's something technical here. Follow up, and don't worry, I will help you if you need help. You can join us on the forum totally for free. I'll be there almost every day to answer your questions. But please focus only these 2 minutes to see this advanced tip on selling AI systems online. So you can see here, this is my API endpoint, and this is the video ID you can pass, and this is the API key. So here the user, your clients, will pass an API key that you provide them. Click on send, and this is the API working on my website. So each time the user uses this API on my website, they will consume credits. And when the credits are finished, they need to buy more credits to use your API. But in our case, we are going to connect this API with our custom Make app. You can see here our URL, and if you go here to modules, you will see get transcript. We have the get transcript endpoint, which is here, get transcript. This is the path, and we have the API key as a header and the video ID as a parameter. So if you go here to mappable parameters, you will see I have video ID and API key. This is why here the user will need to enter a video ID to extract the transcript and an API key so they can access your app and consume credits on WordPress. I hope you got the idea. I will leave all the codes, all the samples, everything in the description below so you can test yourself. And again, if you need help, I'll be here almost every day to help you on the forum. Just join us. I'll be more than happy to join and discuss and answer your questions. Now, what about the other income stream? What's nice about Make, they also have an affiliate program. You can go here to resources, affiliate, and join the affiliate program. So now when you sell your client a system, you can also share your affiliate link. So you can generate an income with the affiliate system and the automation system that they bought from you. You can see here 20% commission on all referrals for 24 months. So you can earn for 2 years while your customers are using your systems. Now, maybe you are wondering how I built this credit system on WordPress and how you can consume credits and so on. I explained this in a full video here on my YouTube channel. You can check it in the description below so you can learn this if you haven't yet. Not only that, you can now, from now on, build many custom apps using this approach and sell different custom applications inside Make. So you can sell the systems with access to your custom applications with recurring income plus your affiliate revenue. And don't forget, this is a simple example on how to build systems on Make. We are in the AI era. Go now, learn Make, build advanced systems and sell advanced systems. This is a new niche. The competition is still low, so don't miss this opportunity and go now, join Make and start learning and building these systems. And to help you more, you can check out this playlist. It has multiple advanced Make systems you can build and clone and learn with. If you learned something new today, please don't forget, smash the like button and see you in the upcoming videos.